What's a subtle sign that someone had a rough childhood? 1. Insanely independent. They've learned not to trust anyone to help them, so do everything themselves. 2. Someone who rarely shares what happens at home or talk about their family. 3. I used to involuntarily flinch when someone around me moved or gestured quickly. My parents were the masters of lightning quick punches that came with no warning. Ends up ingrained in you that fast movements equals get ready for a punch. 4. They apologize habitually, compulsively, and for everything. Even for things that have nothing to do with them. 5. Haphophobia, or the fear of being touched, is definitely one of them. Flinching at loud noises or quick movements. Wanting to be at work and doing good all the time. Inconsistent hobby practice, i.e. drawing, but only sometimes drawing, and then dismissing what you drew as not good enough. 6. Having the ability to function as their own parent at a young age. Talking like an adult at a young age. Anything else that shows they had to grow up fast. 7. When things get tense, they move and breathe very silently and are hyper aware of everything that is happening in everyone else's actions.